In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this WASSCE or WAEC chemistry problems under fast and oil. So guys, we have 8 to 50 questions to practice with. In this video, let's get started. The first question I have here says, the hydrolysis of granite oil by potassium hydroxide is known as, we have esterification, neutralization, hydrogenation, saponification. So the right answer is option D, which is saponification. Very important. The next question with this one, it says fats and oil can be obtained from any of the following sources except we have animals, palm kernel, we have granules, we have paraffin oil. So the right answer is option D, which is paraffin oil. The next question will be this one. It says what type of reaction occurs between vegetable oil and plant ash extract. So we have saponification, dehydration, displacement, neutralizations. The right answer is option A, which is still saponification. The next question will be this one. It says fats and oil are used as raw materials in the following industries except we have plastic industry, we have cosmetics industry, we have paint industry, we have margarine industry. So the right answer is option A, which is plastic industry. So that's an exception here. The next question will be this one. It says consider the reaction below. Okay, so we have hydrogen gas, nickel catalyst, and high temperature are the catalysts used for the reaction. The reaction is applied in the manufacture of, so the right answer is option C, which is margarine. Okay, the next question with this one. It says fats are classified as alkanoates, option B. Alright, very important. Take note of this question. The next question will be this one. It says the ash used for making black soup locally provides, we have stearic acid, we have sodium chloride, potassium ions, glycerol. So the right answer would be option C, which is potassium ions. The last question I have here before I end this video will be this one. It says which of the following processes takes place during the production of margarine from vegetable oils? So the right answer would be hydrogenation, option B. So guys, this is basically I can do problems involving fats and oils for your WASSCE chemistry practice with 8 repeated questions for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what you learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question at the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button. You'll be getting premium information of help you to excel in your SNE exams like WASSCE and other SNE exams you'll be writing. Alright, so having done this, click on the screen button and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.